Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 52 how to like a photo on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application. So now we can go all the way to the iPhone, navigate to the Instagram application, click on Instagram, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile. And now to like a photo, go to the search box and type in computer science videos or computer science itself. Click on the hashtag, go to a photo. I see a computer with code. And to like this photo, we can either double tap or click the heart to like the photo. Go back to your profile. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.